Hello everyone, once again I welcome you all in the virtual class of Advanced Marketing Management. In previous lecture we have started with the question that is types of media. So total 6 type of media are there on which marketer can advertise their product. First one is print media, second broadcast media, third outdoor media, fourth internet media, fifth social media, and last sixth one, that is product placement. In the previous lecture we have discussed the first type of media, that is print media, in which we discuss about newspaper, magazines, journals, periodicals, directories and flyers. So these were the part of print media. Now the second and most important type of media, that is broadcast media. Broadcast media includes televisions and radios. These are known as audiovisual mediums. Broadcast media are most popular and expensive out of all other media. So broadcast media is most popular out of the all types of media. The reason is it is having a capability of audiovisual effect, means through television and radio a individual person can both it can see the pictures as well as they can hear the audio. So it is most popular media out of all, and it is expensive also as compared to other media like print media, outdoor media. Broadcast media is quite expensive. Why? Just because on television, on radio, right, you have to pay, as a marketer you have to pay lakhs and crores of rupees to advertise your product. So first point that we are going to discuss, that is television. Advertising on television has always been an issue of prestige for most marketers across the globe. Advertising on television is expensive, but with the arrival of local and regional TV channels, now it become cost effective. Now most of the marketer is having opinion that to advertise the product on television is a matter of prestige and goodwill for their company. If they advertise the product on television, then it creates positive image in the minds of people and customers, and they will perceive the product as a branded product. So it is a popular medium of advertisement. Advertising on television is expensive, but with the arrival of local and regional TV channel, means as we discussed earlier that advertisement on television is a quite expensive task, just because for the advertisement of 30 seconds or 40 seconds a marketer have to spend lakhs and crores of rupees. So it is a quite expensive medium. But with the arrival of local and regional TV channels, say for example in various regions, right, regional channels are there. In Gujarat, right, we are having so many Gujarati channels. Say for example ABP Asmita, right, Gujarat Samachar, VTV News. So these are the various regional channels which is operating in the region of Gujarat. Same way in Maharashtra there will be Marathi channels, in Punjab there will be Punjabi channels. So various regional and local channels are available. So if a marketer wants to advertise their product on regional channel, so it is less expensive as compared to advertising their product on national TV. Say for example, if you are advertising your product on, right, any Gujarati channel, then it is less expensive. But if you want to advertise your product on national TV channels, like say for example Star Plus, then it is expensive affair. The reason is just because in the local mediums the coverage is up to particular geographical area. So if a marketer is advertising their product on, say for example ABP Asmita, then the message will reach to only those people who are living in Gujarat. Say for example the population of Gujarat is 6 crore. But if you are advertising your product on national channel like Star Plus, so you will be able to reach to the population of entire country, that is 125 crores. So with the arrival of local and regional channels, the cost of advertising has reduced. Now some of the benefits of television advertisement. First one, it creates brand name. It is a common belief among all the marketer that if you are advertising your product on television, so customer will perceive your product or your service as a branded product or service. Second, use of brand ambassador create unique appeal to the audience. Nowadays, most of the companies are using brand ambassadors. Brand ambassador simply means the representative of a company, and generally they belong from right right sports celebrities, then movie celebrities and others. So those celebrities are appointed as a brand ambassador of a company which are endorsing, or you can say advertising, the products. Third one, with the use of audio and visual effect, it is easy to get remembered. As we discuss, why it is said as a broadcast media. The reason is just because it is having a capability of audio and visual. Means you can audio means you can hear the voice, and visual effect means you can see the right various uh, videos in the advertisements. So it is quite effective. Demonstration of product is possible, means if a company is trying to give demonstration, means how to use particular product, so demonstration is possible. Say for example, Maggi company is giving demonstration that how to prepare Maggi in 2 minutes, right? So they are demonstrating the entire scene. So they are demonstrating in the advertisement that uh, take a bowl, add some water, and then add the Maggi and the masalas, and after 2 minutes your Maggi is ready for eat. So this demonstration is there. If you are seeing the advertisement of any detergent, or you can say washing powder, in that also they are showing the demonstration that if you are using this particular brand of detergent, then you will get bright clothes. So various demonstration is also given during the advertisement. Then watching television is almost addiction in the India, hence advertisement can be viewed by millions of people. So watching television is like a addiction among majority of the population of a country, and millions of people, means lakhs and crores of people are having habit of watching television regularly. So it gives a chance, an opportunity to marketer to advertise their product on various TV channels. Disadvantage, it is expensive as we discussed as compared to print media and outdoor media and other media. Advertising on television is a quite expensive affair. Second, advertising during popular TV shows, cricket match, the cost of advertiser is heavily. So if you are advertising your product during popular TV shows, or say for example Kaun Banega Karodpati, then you have to pay more money for this advertisement. Or if you are advertising your product during any cricket match, then also you have to pay more cost. So this is also a disadvantage. Second broadcast media, that is infomercials. The word infomercial is made of two words, information and commercial. The main objective is to create impulse purchase so that consumer sees the presentation and then immediately buys the product through the advertised toll-free number and website. Say for example Home Shop 18 and Naptol. So these are some of the examples. So in general sense, infomercial is made of two words, informational and commercials. Now how this infomercial is different than advertisement. Generally the duration of advertisement is around 30 to 60 means minimum 30 seconds and maximum 60 seconds. This is the duration of advertisement. But here in the infomercial, the duration is about 15 to 30 minutes. And here in detail information about the product is given to the customer, as well as demonstration is given, so it becomes easier on the side of customer to understand the benefits and the various features of particular product. Here some examples are there. Home Shop 18, if you are seeing this or if you are watching this channel, then you will get an idea that this channel is having infomercials, means they are not running any entertainment programs. The only content that they are having is the advertisements of various companies' product. So Home Shop 18 and Naptol. Now the benefit is duration of advertising is long, that we discuss, that is about 15 to 30 minutes. So advertiser can explain the product very well to the audience. So in detail information regarding company's product, its features and characteristics can be given to the target audience. Disadvantage: it is broadcasted during peak of time when viewership is less, hence it is less effective. Say for example, early morning, afternoon or late night. So the duration of this advertisement is like early morning. So say for example in the 5 o'clock in the morning, very less people is there who are watching the television. Afternoon time also people are less active on televisions, and late night means after 11 or 12 o'clock these advertisements are there. Say for example, apart from these channels like Home Shop 18 or Naptol, the regular channels that we are watching, say for example Star Plus, or you can say Z News. So on these TV channels, right, if you are watching early morning, afternoon or late night, so you will find the infomercials, means various products are endorsed for a quite longer period of time, means 15 to 30 minutes, that is infomercials. And during this time very less viewers are there who are watching the television, so effectiveness is less. The third broadcast medium type is radio. After privatization of radio broadcast industry, a new life is flown into the industry. The private FM radio channels have been successful in attracting millions of listeners. It is more popular among young generation. Now after 1990 LPG policy, that is liberalization, privatization and globalization, government has privatized the radio industry also. Before 1990, the radio industry was dominated by Indian government, but after 1990, privatization is made and many private FM channels started in India, and lakhs and crores of people are listening these FM channels, and it is more popular among the young generations. So various programs are there on these FM channels, which are inspiring young people to listen the radios. The advantage: cost effective as compared to television, means the cost of advertising on radio is comparatively less as compared to television. Disadvantage: it is only limited to audio and cannot show visual, hence restrict the advertising to audio. So this is the biggest limitation of radio, that a viewer, or you can say that a person can be able to just hear the audio, visual effect cannot be seen. So this is the biggest limitation of radio as compared to television. Fourth one, cinemas. Advertising in cinema hall in between the movies, particularly during the interval time, has been a popular format of advertising since a very long period of time. It is also a common practice that during the interval time in a movie, right, some of the advertisements are shown. So this is a very common practice followed in Indian cinemas. Now the advantage, it is less expensive. Here audio and visual both things can be accessed by the marketer. So this is the advantage, and the cost of advertising on cinema is less as compared to television. Disadvantage, it can reach to limited audience, means those people who are going to cinema halls to watch the movies. So that people only will be able to see the advertisement. And second, it is ignored by the viewers, means during the interval period of time people are not interested to see the advertisement. They are, right, ignoring the advertisement during this interval time. Now the third type of media, that is outdoor media, or you can say outdoor advertising. Almost all of us are out on the road some time of the day or the other reason. This gives an advertiser opportunity to expose us to advertisement of product and services outside our homes, and because it is outdoors, it is known as a outdoor media. Many marketers like hotels, restaurants, academic institutions, bank, insurance companies, cold drink companies, etc. use this media for advertising. The most suitable location for this form of advertising is high traffic areas like traffic signals, railway stations, bus stands, etc. to attract many people to see the advertisement. Now, the name itself says outdoor media or outdoor advertising, means all of us are going outside our home during a day for some or other reasons, and marketer takes it as an opportunity to explore their advertisement to us. So marketer is taking this opportunity when we are going outside our homes, and they are advertising their product. Now the question is where this advertisement is done. So this advertisement is done on a location which is having high traffic route, say for example railway stations, bus stations, traffic signals, right? So these are the places where the outdoor advertising is done, and the companies who are doing outdoor advertising are hotels, restaurant, academic institutions, bank, insurance, cold drink, etc. So these are the common companies who are using outdoor media to advertise their product. Now first one in outdoor media, that is hoardings. Hoarding are large signboards placed at popular locations like traffic signals, bus stop, alongside trafficked roads, outside schools and colleges, outside on suitable located building, structure, etc. It is managed by advertising agency, and the popular advertising agency which is running in Saurashtra region, that is Chitra. Now hoarding simply means it is a large signboard which is placed on a popular location, means it is a huge hoarding which is placed on a popular location, say for example bus stations, traffic signals, railway stations, school, colleges, right? In general way, it is a large signboard, or it is a large hoarding which is placed on such a location where crowd is there, means many people are gathering for some or other reasons, and these hoardings are managed by advertising agency companies which is known as a say for example one of the companies Chitra, and nowadays various other companies are also there who are managing all these works. Now the advantage, it can catch eye of thousands of people if it is located at a popular location. If you have put your hoarding on a railway station, then thousands of people can see your hoarding during a day, just because there is a flow of passengers on a railway stations, right, in a day and night. So these all people will be able to see the advertisement. This is the advantage. Disadvantage: viewer of the hoarding can see for few seconds only, and advertiser cannot add too much information on it. Say for example, if this hoarding is put on outside any traffic signal, and if you are going on a road by riding your bike or car, so you can see the hoarding which is appearing next to the traffic pole, or you can say the traffic signal, for few seconds only, and then after you will drive your vehicle and you will go away. So the biggest disadvantage is that the viewer is able to spend only few seconds on the hoarding to get the information. So here it is advised that marketer should not contain more information on the hoarding, just because viewer will not be able to read the too much information. So this is the disadvantage, that viewers are having only few seconds to get the information which is given in the advertisement. The second outdoor media type, that is billboards. Billboard are the smaller version of hoardings. They are almost used in some way and at very similar locations as hoardings. It can be hanged on the light poles erected by the municipalities on road dividers or footpaths. The length and height of billboard is about 2 to 3 feet. So billboard is nothing but it is the small version of hoarding, and the height and length of the billboard is around 2 to 3 feet. Again, billboards are placed on popular locations where crowd is there. Generally, it is hanged on the light poles of municipalities. Say for example, if you are living in Jaipur city, or if you are passing on Junagadh road or Dhuraji road, right? So between means in the middle of the road, you will find so many light poles, and on the light poles various small hoardings are there. Small hoarding means billboards are there, and in which you can see the advertisements of various product and services which are sold on local area, or you can say at a regional area. So various product advertise on these electric light poles which is managed by municipalities. Now the disadvantage, it costs effective and advertiser can afford to put advertisement on many billboards, which can increase the time for viewing the billboards. Now the benefit of billboard as compared to hoarding is that a viewer is able to see the hoarding for only few seconds, means 10 to 15 seconds, and then after they will, right, pass away and they will drive their vehicles away. But if billboards are there, say for example from, right, our SPKM college to Tinbati Chowk, you can see that around 30 to 40 electric poles are there between the road on the footpath, and where various billboards are placed. So if you are passing through this road, which is having approximately length of 2 kilometers, you will find the same advertisements on various poles. Say for example 40 poles are there, so all 40 poles are having the same product of advertisement. So as a viewer you will spend more time, means around 1 to 2 minutes, till the time you have not passed through these 2 kilometers of road, you will be able to access the information which is placed on the billboard. And the cost of advertising on billboard is also less as compared to hoardings. The disadvantage, even with billboards, viewer will only be able to allot a few seconds to look a billboard. As also we discussed that you are running or you are driving your vehicle, so you will not be able to concentrate thoroughly on the billboard just because your focus is on the road that you are driving the vehicle. So here also the viewer is having only few seconds to get the access of the information from the billboard. That is a limitation. Next one is kiosks. One of the form of kiosk are small foldable tents or canopies set up alongside roads to advertise the product. A lot of companies prefer to have a person seated in the kiosk and distribute information about the company's product through oral inquiry or pamphlet. So usually we see that in a very trafficked area, one person is sitting alongside the road and he is distributing that pamphlet about particular company's product, and also they are demonstrating the product that please come and see the product. If the customer or if the viewer get interested, then this product can be directly sold by that person at which is a salesman of a company to that particular person. So kiosk simply means here a small foldable tent is there, means umbrella is there, where a representative of company means the salesman is there who are advertising their product, giving demonstration of the product to the customers, or you can say the public who are passing by the roads. And if customer or the public who are interested in a product, so they will give demonstration, and if customer convince, then they will directly sell the product. The neon signs are made of neon tube lights used for advertising. Words are written with neon tubes are placed on boards on building. Neon tube can only be used at night as the visibility effect is more attractive only in the darkness. A lot of restaurants, hotels write their name board with the neon tubes. Though it is not a form of advertising, it can still be used to draw the attention of the viewer. So generally neon tubes or neon signs are not a form of advertising, but nowadays many companies and restaurants and shopkeepers are using these neon signs, or you can say neon tube lights, to decorate the name of a shop. And generally during the darkness, means at a night time these tube lights are on, and the people who are passing by the road or by the shop will have an access or will be able to see the shop name which is lighting up, and it becomes easier for the public or the potential customer to remember the name of a shop. So neon signs which is made of neon tube lights. Fourth advertising media, that is internet. It is the newest form of advertising products. Internet or online advertising is getting importance nowadays. Marketer can out the advertisement on their website or via email advertising. Nowadays companies are also advertising product on social medias like Facebook. So internet is the newest medium of advertising products. As we know that 21st century is a century of digital revolution. Nowadays companies are advertising their product using internet, and the major section of the society are also techno savvy. They are using the internet, computers and mobiles. So marketer takes it as an opportunity to advertise their product. And nowadays companies are creating their own websites and they are uploading the advertisement video on it, which is a cost effective, means company need not to spend a single penny or single rupee for the advertisement, just because they are advertising their product on their own website, which is free of cost. Or companies are also using email advertising. Email advertising simply means here a company is having a large database of the customer's email address, and if a company is having new product or the new scheme for the product, so they are informing the customers via email. So email advertising and website advertising is also getting importance nowadays. The advantage is global reach, means a company can advertise their product not to a geographical limited audience, but they can advertise their product to all over the world, means 7 billion people who are living in the world can see the advertisement with the help of internet. Second, track the number of viewers means here a company also get the information that how many viewer has seen this advertisement or what the advertisement, say for example YouTube advertisements. So through YouTube you can get the idea that how many people have seen your video or seen your advertisement. So exactly you can get the idea that this number of people have seen your advertisement, and you will get the information that how your advertisement is effective. Third one, demonstration of the product, means like television advertisement, here company also can demonstrate their product by giving the in detail information about their product, its features and the benefits that the product is going to give to the target audience. Disadvantage, lack of penetration of internet and computer. Also, India is a developing country where crores of people are there, right, who are not having the access of internet or who are not having computers or mobiles. So internet advertising is a distant dream for them. Second disadvantage, also India is developing country and crores of people are poor and illiterate. They cannot get access to internet. So poor people cannot have access of internet and computers and mobiles, while illiterate people will not be able to use the internet, means they are not techno savvy, they are not having any knowledge that how to use internet, computers and mobile. Then the next medium, that is social media. One of the medium that has taken world by storm these days is social media. The wings of social media spreads not only on computer but now also on mobile with social networking applications like WhatsApp and other applications. Uploading text, video, photos, banners, jokes and riddles these days become a very common practice among the advertisers. So social media is also one of the popular medium for the advertisements, as nowadays we are seeing that various companies are advertising their product on social media like Instagram and Facebook. Last one, product placements. Product placement is an advertising approach where an advertiser intentionally include product into entertainment programs such as movies, TV programs and video games. Actors in the program or movies use the product of a particular brand which is prominently visible, and advertiser pay money to the program on movie maker to do so. So product placement is nothing but here during an entertainment program or during a movie, right, a company is advertising their product and audience is having a belief that this scene or this product is a part of movie, but this product is intentionally endorsed during this movie or during that particular show. And for that, movie maker or you can say the producer of a movie or the program is getting money from the advertiser or you can say marketer. Here some of the example, if you have seen the movie Sultan, you have seen that the actor Salman Khan is demonstrating Videocon D2H uh, right product in their movie. So this product is intentionally being seen to the audience. Then other example, if you have seen the movie Koi Mil Gaya, in that Hrithik Roshan is using Bon Vita, right? So these two are the examples of product placements. Apart from this, at various other entertainment programs are also using various kinds of products in their entertainment programs, uh, and they are endorsing the product and services, and they are getting money for that. So these are the main 6 types of advertising media. So if question is asked in examination that what is advertising, explain types of advertising media, so you have to explain all 6 types of advertising, starting from print media, broadcast media, outdoor media, internet, social media, and product placement. So that's it for this lecture. Further we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you.